Welcome to the immersive world of fantasy cartography. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of cartography, the art and science of mapmaking. Creating your own fantasy map is an alluring journey that combines creativity and strategic planning. It's an opportunity to design unique worlds, complete with mythic lands, mysterious oceans, and epic landscapes. We'll delve into the key principles that guide mapmaking and spark your imagination. Whether you're an author, game designer, or hobbyist, the process of drawing a fantasy map can add depth and authenticity to your storytelling. To get started on your fantasy map, you'll need the right tools and materials. First, choose your paper. Heavier types like cardstock or sketch paper are ideal for physical drawings. Pencils are essential for initial sketches. Opt for a range of hardnesses, from soft to hard. Keep a good quality eraser handy for fine-tuning your details. If you prefer digital maps, software like Photoshop or Procreate works wonders. A graphics tablet can greatly enhance precision. Using the right tools ensures your creative process is smooth and productive, allowing your fantasy world to come to life with accuracy and detail. Starting your map with a rough sketch is crucial for laying a solid foundation. Begin by outlining major landmasses and bodies of water. Decide on the shapes and positions of continents and islands, keeping in mind the geography you envision. Next, plot significant features like mountain ranges, rivers, and forests, as these elements shape your world's ecosystem and travel routes. Use light pencil strokes for this stage, allowing for adjustments as you refine your design. This initial layout sets the stage for your map's structure, ensuring a coherent and visually appealing representation of your fantasy world. Adding detailed geographical features is where your map truly comes to life. Start by defining mountain ranges with jagged, irregular lines to create a realistic effect. Draw rivers as winding paths that flow from high elevations to the sea. Forests can be depicted with clusters of trees or textured areas indicating dense woodland. Incorporate other elements like deserts, swamps, or volcanic regions to diversify the landscape. Pay attention to the natural flow and balance of these features to ensure they fit logically within your world. Detailed geography enriches your fantasy map, making it a vibrant and immersive space. The final steps in mapmaking involve adding labels and artistic touches to complete your fantasy world. Start by labeling key locations such as cities, landmarks, and regions with legible and stylistic fonts. Ensure the labels are placed neatly and do not clutter the map. Next, enhance your map with artistic elements like decorative borders, compass roses, and scale bars, giving it an authentic and polished look. Consider adding color to differentiate regions and highlight important areas. These finishing touches bring coherence and aesthetic appeal to your map, making it a striking visual representation of your fantasy world.